To download Dinner Time on a PC or laptop, start by typing itch.io into a search engine, which will open up a website that features the latest indie games from solo and independent developers. On this website, use the search box to find Dinner Time by typing it in, and click on the result by Black Sand Studios. Scroll down to learn more about the game, view images, and read about its features. When ready, click on Purchase and then Buy Now, which will prompt a window to purchase the game for a minimum of $1. It's encouraged to pay more than the minimum to support the game's creator, and options are available to pay above the base price. Once the payment is set, choose whether to give the game as a gift or keep it for yourself, and enter an email address where the payment confirmation will be sent. Payment can be made via PayPal or card. After completing the payment, a zip folder will be downloaded to the computer, which can be extracted by right-clicking on it. This will reveal the Dinner Time executable file, which can be launched to start playing the game.